In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a travel itinerary on Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized itinerary you can tailor to any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or a multi-city adventure. First, once you're on Canva's homepage, head straight to the Templates section. This is where you'll find professionally designed layouts that give you a head start so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Opening templates also helps you see different styles and formats at a glance, which makes choosing a direction much easier. Next, use the search bar and type Travel Itinerary. This narrows the results to designs that already include common trip details like dates, destinations, activities, and contact information. If you're planning for a specific format, keep an eye on the size labels you'll see, such as A4 or letter, so your final layout fits how you plan to use it. You can also consider whether you prefer a minimalist look for quick printing or a photo-forward style for sharing digitally. Now take a moment to browse through the templates. Hover over any design to preview multiple pages and check the overall flow. Think about what your trip needs: daily breakdowns, flight and hotel info, packing notes, or a highlights section. If you're planning a longer trip, look for templates with duplicate day pages so you can extend the schedule easily. Pay attention to readability. Clear headings, enough white space, and a layout that makes it easy to scan on a phone are all helpful. When you've found a template that fits your style and needs, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor so you can make it your own. You're now working with a fully editable foundation, which saves a ton of time. From here, edit the template to match your trip. Start with the title, dates, and destination names. Update day-by-day sections with activities, times, confirmation numbers, and addresses. Replace any placeholder photos with images of your destinations, or use Canva's built-in photo library if you don't have your own. Adjust colors and fonts to fit the mood of your trip or your personal brand. Consistent styling makes the itinerary feel polished. If you need more days, duplicate a page and keep the same structure for clarity. Rearrange sections by dragging blocks and use alignment tools to keep everything tidy. Icons can quickly label flights, meals, and sightseeing. Just search for them in Elements and swap them in. As you work, give the document a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Canva auto-saves your changes, and you can always use undo if you try something and don't love it. That's it. You clicked Templates, searched for Travel Itinerary, browsed for the best fit, customized the design, and edited it to reflect your exact plans, all in a few minutes. Enjoy planning, and have a fantastic trip.